Dear buddies, what's going on, man? It's your pal Bill Oxdean. What we got here on what I would say is the bench, which is actually the video game, is the Rampage Twin Cat. If you saw, I did a video on rebuilding the motors. These motors have gotten dunked, soaked in the water a bunch of times, and dried out, and eventually the bearings went out. And I opened both motors and rebuilt them. Now we're going to test the boat and see how well it performs. Shall we? Starting to look like I got some real good water out there for what I'm doing with this Rampage. We're out here. Let you guys look on the inside again. We're running 6S. And yes, these are only little 5,000s. I've got my 58 millimeter CNC stainless props on there. We're gonna do 2 runs. We got some China Hobby Line batteries, and we've got some SMC SRD. I could almost guarantee the SRDs are going to do better. But let's see if we can get close to 100 on 6S. I know we're under battery, and typically it'll take the 60 millimeter props. But let's see what kind of performance we got out of these motors having rebuilt them. They sure look beautiful. They sure spin well by hand. One doesn't sound that good. I dunked it the other day, but that could be a front bearing. We'll see though.
Battery 5.9. Model speed 86 miles per hour. Receiver battery 5.9 volt. Model speed 72 miles per hour.
Sure sounds smooth. It feels smooth to play with. Whoa. Well, Quasar is telling me 89 miles an hour, which is not bad. I sure love this radio. I designed it for boats. I just thought of what features I would want, what I would dream to have in a radio. And the engineers helped me, and we came up with the Quasar, man. It tells you the speed right on the radio. She talks and tells it to you. I love this thing. Boy, I can't express to you guys just how beautiful it is out here in this golden California sun. Now I've got these SMC SRD 5000s in there. We can almost call this a comparison of the China Hobby Line 70C bricks 5000 6S and the SMC SRD 5000. These are two 3S's on each side, but they're still 5,000 milliamps. Either way, you toss the dice. And while I got you, I just want to talk to you guys. I want to get your guys' opinion. Lately, I've been doing a lot of short videos, and I've been doing some long grassroots videos like this, because I feel it's important that I still do long grassroots videos, even though the shorts get a lot more views. And while we're on that kick, views. As some of you guys know, my teamoxideanmarine is not allowed in a lot of RC boat groups on Facebook, and that's why some of our views aren't as high as they should be on YouTube. If some of you guys would share these videos in those groups and get people aware of this totally awesome boating that we're doing out here, that'll raise up the views, and we can accomplish a lot more still. That's just for thought, you know what I mean? Like, I might not be able to be in the group, but you guys could share these videos and put them there and get the word out. You know what I mean? That's the way you can help out without even purchasing anything. You know what I mean? We want the word out there. We don't want things biased out there where people aren't even aware of teamoxideanmarine. We got a lot of different stuff for a lot of boats. You know what I mean? We got the best props out there. We still sell the most props to anybody in the industry, but we want people to get the opportunity to get great service, fast shipping, everything you guys know and love that we do. But anyway, we had 89 miles an hour before, as you saw. And now let's see what these SRDs do. Keep it. God damn it. Well, I flipped her back over. I've got a good bind to run it past right here from the kayak. But this kayak seems to be moving along. We'll see.
Receiver battery 5.9 model 14 miles per hour.
Full tilt. It sure sounds smooth though.
Battery 5.9 volt, model speed 28 miles per hour.
Okay, yeah, that's too many passes. Bring her in. I know we spent her out. We spent her all up.
Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming teamoxideanmarine. Who's got the strongest boats on the...
Now that was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun. Yeah, it flew off the water.
Battery 5.9.
But it was a great time. What we got here on the transmitter is, and the winner is the SMC. We got 90 out of the SMC. But you got to remember also, it was an inconsistent test. You know what I mean? Like, the thing blew off on its first pass and sat there, you know what I'm saying? Sitting there didn't change anything, but blowing off exerted some energy that it could have gotten out of the first pass. But anyway, the SMC still did better. If you like what we're doing, subscribe to our channel, smash that like button, and remember guys, share these videos in different groups. Continue enjoying radio control model boating. Bill Oxley and the Rampage, over and out.